Good morning. I am Anuradha Khantwal, Principal, Temple City Public School. A very warm welcome to Honorable IC members, Mr. Pawan Sood, Principal, Guru Hargobind Public Senior Secondary School, Sindhwa Khurd, and Mrs. Neetu Rathor, Principal, Army Public School, Pathankot. I also welcome the distinguished observer from the CBSE for the upgradation of my school from middle to secondary level. Our school is situated in village Samgoli. It is surrounded by more than 20 villages and the nearest CBSE affiliated school is approx 12 to 15 km far from here. In front of me, you can see there is a link road. It connected to Terabasi from my right side and to Ambala from my left side. Motto of our school is to impart the rural education. This is the main entrance of my school. Main gate opens only for school buses, teachers and the staff members. There is a gate beside the main gate. Visitor enters in the school premises through this gate. Guard room is here. Due to COVID-19, we are taking all precautions. Very good morning. The guard takes the temperature and also ensure the hands of the all visitors are sanitized properly. Let me take you inside my school. You can see the continuous boundary wall of my school. This is the parking area for the school buses and vehicle of the staff members and visitors also. Our buses are well equipped with CCTV camera, GPS and fire extinguisher also. Not anyone enter our main school building during school hours from here. Moving ahead, this is our assembly area. We have special assemblies during the special occasions. This area used as well as kindergarten playground. Students come here for learning purpose and enjoyment. This is our upcoming open theatre area. This is the gate number 2 for exit. We have a room for drivers with the attached washroom. Because drivers do not enter in the school premises for the safety purpose. Again, you can see the greenery of my school. You can see the trampoline for the kindergarten section. We have one storeroom one extra room, and this room is for our kindergarten section. Let's inside the room. You can see the beautifully decorated room by my teacher. Good morning. You can see water facility is available inside the room with proper working RO system. Again, continuous boundary wall. Now let's have a closer look at the boundary wall of my school. Now we are moving towards the playground for higher classes. This playground for higher classes Mr. Vikram is our physical teacher. Very good afternoon. He trains our student for the different sports like kabaddi, kho-kho, cricket also. Now we will join Mr. Vikram.
थैंक यू मैम। मेरा नाम विक्रम कुमार है। मैं टेम्पल सिटी पब्लिक स्कूल में फ़िज़िकल एजुकेशन का टीचर हूँ। मेरी क्वालिफ़िकेशन है बीपीएड, एमपीएड और अब मैं पीएचडी कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं आपको अब ग्राउंड की तरफ ले चलता हूँ। ये है हमारा बैडमिंटन कोर्ट। इस बैडमिंटन कोर्ट में हम बच्चों को 2nd to 8th ऑनवर्ड हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं। इसमें हम स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड लेते हैं। जैसे जैसे बच्चों के स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम स्कूल में लेते हैं। अब मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट में। ये हमारा वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट है। इसमें हम बच्चों को 5th ऑनवर्ड टू 8th तक बच्चों को वॉलीबॉल सिखाते हैं और 6th to 8th हम बच्चों का इवनिंग सेशन भी लेते हैं। थैंक यू।
This is our eco garden area. Students come here with their teacher to gain the knowledge about plants. You can see the continuous boundary wall towards my left. Now I am going to show you the back side of my school. We also have plan to upgradation for senior secondary level. As I mentioned before, our school is situated in the village and parents face difficulties to send their girl child for the education outside this area. So the work is in progress for the same. Again, you can see the boundary wall towards my left. We are moving towards the main school building. This is the extra washroom. Now you can see the logo of my school. Tree with a smile. I like it very much because it looks like a child's smile. Moving towards the main school building. Let's sight the main school building. First, let's we take the blessing of Ma Saraswati. This is our huge and spacious reception area. Parents and visitors come here and wait here. Meet with Mrs. Monica. Very good morning. She is here to help all the visitors and parents to solve their queries, concerns and issues. CCTV camera also installed here for the safety and security purpose. There is washroom for visitors. We have WCs, urinal and proper working sanitary ware. We have modern taps to save the water. This is our medical room. If any child does not feel comfortable during the school hours, he can come here and take rest. We have first aid box and necessary things also. Fire extinguisher installed here for the safety purpose. This is our pantry. Now we are moving towards my office. There is a suggestion box placed here. Anybody, he can be parent, visitor, teacher, student, can put their suggestion inside this box because suggestions are very valuable for us. This is my office. Beside my office, this classroom for nursery class. You can see it is beautifully decorated by my teacher. A very comfortable furniture for our students. Sir. Let's enter the computer lab. This is our computer lab. Now we will join Miss Ritu, our computer teacher.
Good morning, IC member, principal ma'am. I am Ritu, computer teacher from Temple City Public School. This is our computer lab. We have internet connections. All computers are connected with internet. A single sitting arrangement for student here. We have a projector. Then you can see smart TV. Single sitting arrangement for student here. One main desktop for teacher to do. We teach them MS Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, Paint, Tusk Paint, etc. This is our computer stock register.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to show you the primary wing of my school. Fire extinguisher again here. Made directions. This classroom for class first. Again you can see the colorful furniture as per the age of child. Fire extinguisher again for safety purpose. This classroom for second class. It is also very decorated room. Again furniture as per the age of child. This classroom for third grade. Fourth class classroom. And this room is for class 5th. Now we are moving towards the activity room. Let's enter our activity room. Now we will join Miss Jyoti, our activity teacher.
Good afternoon, IC members. My name is Jyoti. I am art and craft teacher here. Art and craft helps the students to improve their imagination skill. We made this activity for the students to color recognition. Look at this activity. This is very different type of activity. By doing this activity, students to practice how can we achieve our goal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here you can see water facility for our students. And this classroom for class 6th. Now I am going to show you the washroom of our students. This is boys' washroom. Girls washroom. We have separate washroom for boys and girls. Wash basins, WCs, rules. Our students always follow these rules. Now let me take you to first floor of our school. You can see the notice board of our school and the activity of our students. Now we are going on the first floor of our school. Here you can see various charts made by my students. This is our staff room with attached washroom. Very good morning. एल्मिरा सर। We have almirah for the teachers with separate section so that they can put their necessary things safely. Towards my left side, you can see drinking water area with RO installed. ROs are being serviced regularly so that we can provide our students safe and clean drinking water. We know the value of water because water is the first and foremost medicine. The glasses are placed here. After drinking the water, students place the glass on this bench. You can see proper working drinking water. The future of India lies in its villages. Again, directions here. Moving ahead, this classroom for class 7.
आज महिलाएं घर की चारदीवारी से बाहर निकलकर रूढ़िवादी प्रवृत्तियों को पार कर विभिन्न व्यवसायों एवं सेवाओं में कार्यरत हैं। इससे उनमें
Meet with Mrs. Rekha, our Hindi teacher.
वे केवल आर्थिक रूप से ही स्वतंत्र नहीं हुई हैं, अपितु समाज एवं परिवार की सोच में भी सकारात्मक परिवर्तन दिखाई देने आरंभ हो गए हैं। आज महिलाएं स्वयं के बल पर आगे बढ़ रही हैं, चाहे सामाजिक क्षेत्र हो, सामान्य शिक्षा का क्षेत्र हो अथवा तकनीकी क्षेत्र का।
Again, fire extinguisher installed here. You can see the date and due date of refilling. You can see the activity of my child. And this classroom for class 8th. Now I am going to show you the proposed classroom for class 9th. And this classroom for class 10th. Now I would like to show our science lab. Let's enter the science lab.
Good morning.
Now we will join our science teacher, Miss Jagjit.
Good morning. Good morning, honorable IC members and principal ma'am. Myself Jagjit Kaur. I have done MSc in chemistry and B.Ed. Here I propose as a PGT science teacher. So this is our science lab. As you can see,
We are arranged here various instruments for our students so that they can understand the concept clearly theoretically as well as practically. We arranged various different models of different system like these are the chemical solution used in our practical for class 7 and 8. Then this is the human digestive system, nervous system, human teeth, test tubes in use in our practicals, human kidney, plant cell, brain, human ear, human heart system and eye. Then DNA that is diribonucleic acid. Then these are the various instruments like compound microscopes. Compound microscope used to view the small particles that cannot be identified by the naked eyes. These are our students of class 6. They are doing their practicals of magnet, that how magnets can be used in our life and magnets properties like different poles. Different poles attract each other and same poles are repel each other. Then these are the various models made by our brilliant students like rainwater harvesting, then pollution model, then water system, water cycle, rainwater collection, then again water cycle, stop pollution. And these are the working models like human kidney, human digestive system, respiratory system, plant cell, animal cells, periscopes made by our students. Then these are the fabric, how to use fabric and made fabric from the yarn. Then this is periscope and these are the models made by our students. This is our stock register. This is our stock register for our lab. As you can see, prisms, slabs are models. This is weighing machine, solar system model. That is tool system. How can you use nails and tools to tighten the screws? This is periodic table. That is for our students so that they can understand the classification of elements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we are moving towards our math lab. You can see the broad view of our school. Again, you can see the directions. This is the broad view of our school. Now we are moving towards our maths lab. Let's enter the maths lab.
Good morning, IC members and principal ma'am. My name is Neelam Saini. I am working as maths teacher in Temple City Public School. This is our maths lab. As you can see, various charts like shapes, integers, adding integers, subtracting integers, months of year, Roman numbers, Now time, divisibility rules, again shapes, Indian system and international system, chart papers of triangle, mensurations, now some geometrical equipments, compass, divider, protector, scaler, and models of shapes. Again clock, months of the earth, name of solid, its figure, volume, surface area and total surface area. Math symbols, again clock and time poster. Weight and scale. Dummy checkbook and pay-in slip. Now this is our math stock register.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we are moving towards our library. Let's enter the library.
Some junior students are very fond of to read the magic board. These are base material and art and craft files which are made by our school student. This is our biography section. Story books. कुछ बच्चे इसे story books पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. These are our religious books, novels. Some students are very fond of to read the religious books like Shiva, Ganesha, etc. These are our English reference book corner and dictionary corner. are totally English reader section and a grammar section also. These are math sections. Some books are reference and some are NCERT related books. These are some newspaper. इनको हम लोग डेली चेंज करके अपडेट होते हैं. 2 लैंग्वेजेस में 3 लैंग्वेजेस में सर हमारे न्यूज़पेपर आते हैं, इंग्लिश और सर ये हमारा हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर है सर. These are the reference corners. Students and teachers are very fond of to read these books. It is very helpful to the teachers also. Subject related books, Hindi and science. We have also a separate section for rhymes books. Some students are very fond of read the poetry and rhyme books also. These are general knowledge books. Some students are very fond of to read the general knowledge books. क्योंकि सर कई बार कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जो होते हैं हमारे उसमें जनरल नॉलेज की बुक्स जो है काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होती है. These are the grammar section. We have a session register to record the stop of a session. We have keep the records of all the books in this register. Library is the heart of soil of school.
Now we are going towards our music room. This is our music room. Music education is very important in our school.
इस रूम में चले जाओ तो हमारे साथ आइए. बैग ले लो.
Let me show you the record register of our school. First, accession register. Then science stock register. stock register, sports stock register, computer stock register, and music stock register. And now important documents for upgradation. Now I am showing you the important documents for the upgradation. First, copy of DO certificate, Appendix 4, fire safety certificate and building safety certificate. And now this file related to supportive documents in respect of self-assessment A to H. First, recognition certificate, and then approval of middle class CBSE affiliation, list of school management committee members, trust, fire safety certificate, drinking water certificate, certificate of single plot land, and maps also. First floor plan. This is first floor plan. And now ground floor plan. Lease deed, vision and mission of our school. Vision of our school is to empower the rural education by providing a welcoming, happy, safe and supportive learning environment in which everyone is equal. And the mission of our school is to excel our students in both curricular and co-curricular activities and prepare students to understand, contribute to and succeed in a rapidly changing society. Fee structure. Total number of students. Infrastructure detail. Library details. Certificate of support facilities. Staff details. Teacher details. List of hardware equipment. Sexual harassment committee and prevention committee. Club activity. List of event and celebrations. Thanks for patiently watching and being a part of video tour of our school. As I mentioned before, the motto of our school is to empower the rural education. So we will keep working for the same. Thanks a lot.